Hello everyone, this is Creative Crackers not Seven, and I am Shivaram Krishnan, so probably known as Akash Shiva. So in this video we are going to see about how to make a 12-volt battery from our trash 3.7-volt batteries which we are using in the old phones. So what am I going to do first is to check whether the batteries are working or not. That is, if the battery has very little amount of charge we can recharge it. If the battery has 0% of charge, it is tried cell and we have to throw it away. So I'm checking it with the multimeter. The multimeter shows variations, so it means it's not dead. So in the same way we have to check the three batteries. Yes, it's also show variations, it means it doesn't die. You can buy these batteries for just 10 rupees in some old shops. We are not going to do something special. We are just going to connect these batteries in series so that the voltage will be increased. So if you want to increase the amps, you can join these batteries in parallel connections. So I have kept in such a way that it will be easy for me to solder it, and I'm going to just stick a tape around it so that it cannot be loosey and it will be tight fit. So once the taping is completed, I'm going to do the soldering work. First of all, scratch the copper coating which salty pepper, so that we can soldering will be catched in such a way that it could be nice, and soldering will not also be very tough. I'm using this knife for better scratching. So once it's completed, you can just pour a paste on it so that cold fluxing occurs. Yes, it's completed now. I'm just going to apply the soldering paste on it. We have to apply a very little amount because this paste produces some gases, smokes, which may cause a breathing effect. So in my next video I will show you how to make this smoke clear. I mean, that's an excess fan-like structure, so we can discuss it later. And you can notice that you can see the plus and positive negative terminals are shown there. You have to just connect the positive with negative and negative with positive. I will show you how to do it very clearly. Just apply some sort of soldering lead on it. Now just connect one of the terminal, and yes, just solder it in the same way I have done it, and I have skipped some instructions, sorry for it. And you can see the next, I have completed the soldering and also complete the soldering in the same way, and I think it is not much tougher job. You can also do it on your own. So after it's completed, I'm going to cover it. Sorry, before that I am going to check how much voltage it can go. Since the batteries are not fully charged, it could not give 12 volts, but it can give up to 9 volts. Yes, I am using a multimeter to check the current. It's showing up to 9.05 volt. So I have misplaced the positive negative noise, and I'm correcting it. Yes, it could go up at 9.05 volt, and now just cover it with the black tip so that it could not look so old. So here we come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I don't have enough time for a lengthy project, so I did this. If you like this, please give a thumbs up as a support, and give subscribe so that if I upload a quality content, it can reach you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay creative. Goodbye.